In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Joycons to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can connect your Joycons to your iPad completely wireless. This is going to be done using Bluetooth, so the only way in which you will be able to connect them together is through a Bluetooth connection. So first, on your iPad, head over into the settings, and at the left side of the screen, you will be able to find Bluetooth. So go into the Bluetooth settings on your iPad. This will work regardless of the model. Now, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, it is now time to set the Joy-Cons into pairing mode. So look at the side of your Joy-Cons. You will find this button here on the inside. This is going to be the synchronize button. All that you have to do is press and hold this button down for a few seconds. These lights at the side will start blinking. This indicates that pairing mode has now been enabled, so the Joy-Cons are looking for nearby devices to pair with, including of course your iPad. So as long as you enabled Bluetooth on your iPad, the Joy-Cons are going to appear under the list of other available devices, and all that you have to do is tap on them for the connection to be established. They will be transferred over to My Devices, and if you open any game that supports controllers, including the Joy-Cons, you will be able to play using them. They will remain connected until they run out of battery, at which point they will disconnect automatically. Charge them up, and when you power them back on, they should automatically connect if you choose the option. So you synchronize them once and you will be able to use them in the future with your iPad. The process is going to be exactly the same for an iPhone, PC, or laptop. Just enable Bluetooth in the settings, set them up in pairing mode by pressing and holding the synchronize button, and choose to connect to them on the Bluetooth devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Joy-Cons to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.